Buffalo traffic, orbit light support 321 Bravo Tango. Planning on doing a simulated engine out from 5,000 foot, spiraling down to 18 Buffalo. Okay, let's start. We are at a 5100. Okay, pull the engine down. Glide speed to 63. That's the best glide speed. Down to 75. So we're at 4800.
More traffic, Cessna 761 will be entering the downwind from the southeast. More traffic.
That's 63.
Traffic, Skyhawk 8570 Bravo, departing right, crosswind departure to the southwest. Traffic.
Buffalo traffic, orbit lights for 321 Bravo Tango, practicing a simulated engine out from 4,500, spiraling down to 18 Buffalo. Best glide speed. Now we are down to 4,000. Thirty 800. I'm planning to hit the pattern altitude, then going to join the left downwind. $3,600. So another circle.
More traffic, Cessna 761 is about 7 miles to the southeast. We'll be entering downwind for runway 17. Aura.
Normal traffic, Skyline 60 with the Foxtrot's on downwind for 13. Touch and go.
Are a little bit getting away from the left downwind, so trying to get closer. We're at 3,000 now. No flaps yet. $63, that's the speed. 2500. So the pattern is about 1900, closer to 2000. We are trying to reach there.
Wilmer traffic, 6 US Foxtrot, turning base for 13, touch and go, Wilmer.
Okay, we are almost there. For one way, 2200, so we reached pattern. So now we got to land. We're still on the best glide speed.
Fairmount traffic, Skyhawk 12301, about 4 miles south and down for runway 20.
Still on the best glide speed.
$500.
That looks perfect. Buffalo traffic, RV lights put 321 Bravo Tango, turning final for 18, Buffalo.
Traffic, Cessna 761, entering downwind for 17, more.
Got to overshoot. Successful.